called Genome, a magnificent journey of the 23 chromosomes, describing how an abstract concept like fate, death, disease, and more is brought to existence by a very specific gene present physically on a specific numbered chromosome within every cell of our human bodies. This original poem connects physical to the metaphysical based on evidence that we now have. Inspired by unprecedented impact of novel genetic strategies on the clinical practice and society as a whole, it aims to disseminate advancing medical knowledge and appreciate the intricate orchestra of biomolecules as we know it. All of you in each cell of yours. The essence of life wrapped around histones. Your existence at the mercy of 23 pairs of chromosomes, each designed intricately to fulfill its destiny as they recombine and pass down, transformed yet unchanged to your progeny. Darwin naturally selects, while Morgan's mutations shall randomly arrive. The bottlenecks drift, while the populations shall shift. As Hardy Weinberg knew, the equilibrium wasn't meant to stay. You and I mean nothing to nature, for evolution shall always have the final say. The fittest shall survive. That's exactly what your genome shall decide. Each of the 23 conceals a mystery, while altogether, one true proof of humanity's history. Chromosome number 2, species. Descent from chimps is nothing but a sad delusion, misconceived as we speciated while two chromatins underwent fusion. Chromosome number 4, fate. 4 shall decide fate, as the chessboard is a CAG, cage, and Huntington's the checkmate. Chromosome number 5, environment. All still isn't written in the genes. For asthma and allergies might be related to 5, but your environment shall decide whether you survive. Chromosome X and Y. This one's my favorite. They craved masculinity, while demanded Y for the sex. While even men couldn't do without an X. Sex, the greatest achievement of evolution, reduced to an insignificant conflict, a shameful revolution. Chromosome 9, disease. If cholera shall kill, whether depression holds you still, your blood group is coded by 9. If you are O positive, your heart shall probably be just fine. Chromosome 15, imprinting. Your parents signed your DNA. Which shall express depends on which has the paternal prowess. Your gifts, you ask? Prune belly for a Prader-Willi, and a happy puppet for an angel man. Chromosome 17, death. A death note exists in each of your cells as well. Guardian of the genome, P53 resides on 17. Suppress the tumor or die via apoptosis without creating a scene. Chromosome 21, ploidy. The famous 21, 2 are company, 3's a crowd. Sometimes it's better to turn down and excess. Karyotypes are magnificent until aneuploidy creates a mess. 25,000 genes, but a million possibilities. Incurable diseases, infinite variations, and incomprehensible revelations. Answers to questions you have not yet asked. In all of you, in each cell of yours. In all of you, in each cell of yours. This was one shade of medical poetry. I have been able to write 30 medical poems in 4 different languages that talk about topics like women in medicine to informed consent, not just very specific topics like you saw. And all of this is just coming from the head of one medically mediocre guy trying to push the limits and bringing it to you so you can do it better, or more appropriately, define it in your own way. But it's been a pleasure. Thank you for being here. Until next time, keep writing and keep inspiring.